the heavy rumble of a diesel engine, and the clanking of steel tracks. This is not just the sound of work, it is the voice of an entire era. Before you is the legendary T-170 Bulldozer, a machine that knew no such word as impossible, and became a symbol of the power of domestic industry on construction sites around the world. Its story began in 1988 at the Chelyabinsk tractor plant. The T-170 was the perfect evolution of its predecessor, the T-130. The engineers achieved the main goal. While maintaining the extreme simplicity of the design, they increased its service life and traction. Weighing 16 tons, this giant turns mountains of soil into a level playing field in a matter of minutes. The heart of this machine is the indestructible D160 diesel engine, or the more powerful D180. It is not the 180 horsepower that is important here, but the enormous torque. The T170 Bulldozer is a true survivor. Thanks to its multi-fuel capability, it can even run on low-quality fuel. It starts just as confidently at -40 in permafrost conditions as it does at +50 in the scorching sands. There is no such thing as bad weather for it, only the task at hand. The T-170 is a universal base for 80 modifications. Construction of federal highways, laying pipelines, and logging. This tractor has been at the forefront everywhere. Its 10th traction class allowed it to move volumes of rock that no other equipment could handle. You won't find any touch panels in the cab. Everything here is rugged. Heavy levers, sturdy steel, and a minimum of electronics. But it is precisely this honesty that is the secret of its longevity. The T-170 is called iron, not only for its body, but also for its character. This machine can be repaired in the middle of a field with a standard set of wrenches and a sledgehammer. It forgives mistakes and never lets you down. Decades have passed, and the market has been flooded with imported counterparts equipped with sensors and monitors. But thousands of 170s are still in service, because old school means building for the ages. The T-170 Bulldozer is living history, cast in Chelyabinsk steel, a machine with a truly iron character.